Hey everyone, today we're starting up by the Prince Park, just show you a bit of the area around it. So of course there's the pool area, and of course the back of it is Enrique Park just there. Now, I've always said the Prince Park's a nice hotel, quite good, but just this morning I have heard some bad rumours about it. Scooter Sue was telling me a lot of people have been saying rude stuff. Like, the one story was a couple were in their room and the mate just walked in with some towels. All they said to her was, "We don't need any more new towels," and mate walks off. Next thing they know, knock on the door and they're getting called to the manager's office, and basically the manager said, "The rest of your holiday you're not allowed to speak to any of the staff." Bit stupid that, eh? I mean, are you meant to order a drink or like check out or something? There you have the main auditorium. Looks like they're getting ready for this weekend's event. Yeah, apparently Friday evening we've got a big rock concert going on, apparently. Fingers crossed it don't rain, eh? So, weather today, I'm not sure how to explain it. I mean, you've got bright skies, but then it does look overcast. And I have seen on my phone that, like, thunderstorms are scheduled, scattered thunderstorms apparently. Can you? Can you grab hold of that while I tiny jump around me basically? Sorry guys, just me jump has come undone.
But you get to see Benidorm Crazy Marcus in the flesh.
It's still sort of warm enough to go out in shorts. Maybe not take a jumper with you. Mind you, we have seen people walking about with their shirt off today, so still I think me and Sue's just bought our jumpers just in case it does sort of take a turn for the worse. Cause it is Benidorm, and as I always say, 1 minute it could be nice, glorious sunshine, then within an instant all that can change and it can be raining, freezing cold again. Luckily we do have ponchos in the back though, in back of Mum's scooter. They're a bit wet, but still they keep you kind of dry. Got the nice little Peruvian restaurant. Very good English breakfast in there, guys. Really nice. And we are just sort of coming down like a sort of back road into town, if you can call it that. You've got Enrique Park that side. I think they're doing some work in there. I'm not too sure what they're doing actually. There's something with the drains, or maybe they're like trying to put some new trees in down there or something. Then on the other side you have Mercadona. Brilliant supermarket. Staying up this end now, we are regular shoppers in there. Do tend to use that to get pop and meat nowadays. Whereas when we were back up the Rincon end, like if we went Mercadona, it would be quite a big shop, so we could just make sure we had stuff in. Taretta, I think that is. Little restaurant there. Then of course, Michelangelo Apartments. Just saying, bit out the way, but you're not really got much of a walk to go for, like town or the beach, or even the strip in that matter. But mind you, if you are going down to strip, maybe I would recommend like getting a taxi back or something, if you're not really known in this area. Where? Are they? I thought they were barking. Oh yeah. Squirrel there, guys, somewhere. Is it? I'm trying to get it on camera. Come on. Oh, there it is. Yep, I do get squirrels in Enrique Park, and they are quite chilled. Like, they will come up quite close to you. I think they're pretty much used to humans and all that. Yeah, red squirrels. I think the best experience I had was in the top of Avenida Europa, in what me and Mike call Squirrel Park. It's literally like a big park. You got like a sort of walk-through park up the back, then like a foresty area where you can watch all the nature, and there's quite often tons of squirrels in that sort of area, as well as birds, which just makes for a relaxing sort of day. Like, you can go have a picnic, watch all the squirrels running about. Now we got the Primavera Park here. I'm not too sure what to say on that, to be honest, because we haven't stayed there yet, and of course it is new, but we are seeing some good reviews. It does look quite amazing, to be honest. I mean, nice place to stay, I imagine. Then, of course, the Benidorm Plaza Hotel just there in the background. Hotel Agua Azul as well, just there. And of course, the Bristol, just there you can see the roof terrace. Not sure if me and Sue's gonna get stuck now. Well, you damn bloody brakes. I was gonna do a joke, but to be honest, I'm not really in the mood. So yeah, sorry guys. Benidorm sightseeing tour bus just there as well. Still haven't been on that, but I believe it's well worth the money. And finally we do come out at Town Hall with the Castle Day is for the Moors and Christians Festival. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like, hit subscribe as well for more Benidorm videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.